One is Samanya Shraddha, other is Vishesh Shraddha. Samanya Shraddha is everything will be positive, Astikya Buddhi, what you call, that things will go on well. In Samanya Shraddha, my mindset is that everything is governed by someone bigger in my life. There is a bigger governance going on. I am a part of his project. If something I don't feel is going on better, then also there must be something. I appreciate the buddhi, the sanctity, the truthfulness of the buddhi of Lord. I appreciate the truthfulness of the buddhi of Lord. That is Samanya Shraddha. So whatever happens, what happens with the Samanya Shraddha is that person becomes very optimistic. Person becomes positive. Person becomes free from future thought. Free from the thought of future, freedom from the thought of future, or something which has happened which you did not like. When something happens which you don't like, mind reacts a lot internally and mind doesn't accept. This Shraddha Vritti dissolves the dislike about a situation. The Shraddha Vritti, general Samanya Shraddha, it dissolves the vritti of dislike. That I don't like this particular person or I don't like this particular situation. The Shraddha Vritti is a solvent. And many things in your life will happen which you do not like at all. At your body level, family level, at community level. The acceptability to accept that area comes by Shraddha. See, Subhadra's son called Abhimanyu got killed in Mahabharata. But she had no bitterness or she had no complaints to Lord Krishna. Although he deserved the first to be protected, it was only because of Shraddha Vritti. Bhishma Pitama was put on the bed of arrows. He accepted because it was only because of Shraddha Vritti. Pandavas could accept 86 years of negligence and injustice because of Shraddha Vritti. The person who has Shraddha Vritti, his mind will be much quieter if he has Samanya Shraddha. Then comes Vishesh Shraddha. Vishesh Shraddha is when that faith that I have oriented it towards one goal. I have oriented it in Lord, in my Ishta Devata, where I have love also, where I have commitment also. You can't be committed to many places. If you try to committed, you will be uncommitted to all places. This Shraddha Vritti towards a person, towards the first it expresses towards the Lord. And when Lord's happiness is on me, then this Shraddha Vritti, it is possible that some coincidence may be there, that I may be getting the opportunity to have and go to the master or a teacher and express my desire to study. In front of that teacher, more desire I can leave. More is the Shraddha. The ability to leave the desire, my desire, and keeping the conviction that my goodness is in my leaving my desire and holding on to the teacher's desire. I am ready. Pranipat means I am ready to keep your desire in my mind. Faster a person leaves his desire and holds the teacher's desire. Faster a person leaves his desire and holds the teacher's desire, more is the faith of a person. Slower is in leaving his desire, and slower he adopts the desire of the teacher. Lesser Shraddha and lesser Pranipat is there. This promptness in leaving my ways, my attitude, my style, my routine, my notions, my emotions, faster I leave, more is the Shraddha. Problem is, when we walk on the spiritual path, very big demand is of sacrifice. At all levels. And this readiness to sacrifice comes when I have Shraddha. So Shraddha is a Vishesh Shraddha. Has two emotions in it. You are big and you are most lovable. Lovability, confluence of lovability and bigness expresses as faith. And this expression expresses as Pranipat. Expression, many saints are there. They are big for me. No doubt. But I don't remember with ras. When I remember someone with ras, then that is called the love, free faith. I can't obey you. I know you are big. But when the student goes to the teacher, the big problem with the student faces, he is not able to give up certain things. When I ask you to leave it, supposing I say, I give you a book, I said, leave it. So your next question will be, where? Where to leave it? Give it up. Your question will be where? Unless altar is bigger, love has a very secret potential. It can make a person give up anything for the love. I can give up my likes, I can give up my notions, I can give up my lower love. Anything I can give up. This is a secret challenge of all seekers, that he either is not able to give up as much as possible, either he gives up with low speed. He gives up little, he gives up. But more giving up is required on this path than what I give up. I gave up certain things, but more giving up is required. Because without more giving up, that knowledge won't be getting an utensil, a patram to fill me. The words of the teacher will not fill me. There will be a part of a mind where words of the teacher are not pervading, all pervading. And teacher is not saying his own word. Teacher is a translator. It is a pramana operator. You heard this. Teacher is a pramana operator. He is operator of a pramana called the Shastram. So attempt should how the whole Shastra, whole sentence should fill my mind. And when you have your own desires or own notions or own emotions, on some of the days you must have observed that my mind is not that receptive that day. I'm sitting quietly, but there is a big portion of my mind which is non-receptive. Absorption is less. The words don't pervade. Vritti is not dense. My vritti is not that deep in me. I'm not pervaded by that thought. And therefore pranipat, no doubt, is a physical action. But emotion behind that physical action is this, where love and bigness both meet in the physical proximity. In starting you need a physical proximity. When love and bigness, bhava of bigness is called in Sanskrit as adar. And bhava of love is called prem. When adar and prem both mix together, then there is a samarpan vritti. There is a pranipat vritti that I can leave anything for you. Pranipat vritti, the external expression of pranipat, actually is an indicator that I can leave anything for you. I can leave means what? I can leave means that you give me now. I am ready to receive. My receptivity will be very high. Higher is the Shraddha, more is the receptivity of a person. More is the receptivity, faster he grows, more thoughts he is able to take. He becomes ultimately Tivra Mumukshu. He becomes Jigyasu. Pranipat is not the end. Pranipat is the means. He becomes a Tivra Mumukshu. He becomes a Jigyasu in his life. This is one step. But I have my own ways. So your own ways is a Shastra Virodhi Vritti you have kept. It is not Guru Virodhi actually. Guru Virodhi is in between. You have a Shastra Virodhi Vritti. Because what Guru will say, he will say something which is as per the Shastra. If Guru does not say something as per the Shastra, he is not a Guru only. So, we create a contradiction in our mind. So that when I don't follow the pranipat in its essence, somehow I have dampened my spirit of moksha. Getting my word? I have dampened my jigyasa. I have lessened my speed towards the godliness. I have somehow lessened my speed. I am a speed breaker. There are certain habits in me that are a speed breaker in my life. I could not give up my best, you can say. I couldn't fly too high because some stones were hanging on me. I was walking with 40 kg weight on my back. I have to run. I have to reach, but there was already a backlog on my weight of some desires, of certain emotions, certain attachment that reduced my speed. I run, but my speed was that. This is taken by the word pranipat.